So I thank you all. Those with long faces should try and straighten their faces. Those with straight faces should try and smile. I've told you people that no matter what happens, when you wake up in the morning, the sun will still be shining in the sky. As long as the sun is shining, just know that it is not over yet, and God is still alive. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
One more time, can we appreciate His Excellency?
How are you? Okay. Well, what I said is that we have taken a decision to withdraw our election petition before the Election Petition Tribunal. Painful though the decision is, we took that decision in the best interest of our team and in the best interest of our state. We believe that in doing something like this, we should consult all stakeholders and be able to take the interest of everybody into consideration in whatever we do. And that is what we have done. So that is our decision.